In Bicol, we don't say, "Uy, pre, may pulubi, tara, tulungan natin." Instead, we say, "Pre, si Papa mo bagay paggala-gala na sana." In Bicol, we don't say, "Uy, may muta ka, pre." Instead, we say, "Ha, siguro supot pa si Papa mo." In Bicol, we don't say, "Ang itim naman ng kilikili mo." Instead, we say, "Ay, hanip na kilikili yan. Madampugon, kaya baga may urano na naman." In Bicol, we don't say, "Uy, asinsado na yung anak ni Gloria." Instead, we say, "Baray, nakaagom ka ni foreigner, kaya nag-asinso bigla." In Bicol, we don't say, "Excuse me." Instead, we say, "Ay, hayop na. Agyan baga yan. Ay, tapos. Diyan pa gumachirismisa na. Diyan pa gumakurutuhan. Aram na nindong agyan yan. Tano sa dirinduan dalan." In Bicol, we don't say, "Ang baho naman." Instead, we say, "Bata!" In Bicol, we don't say, "Uy, pre, long time no see ah. Kamusta na?" Instead, we say, "Uy, buhay ka pa palan. Akala ko ganun ka na." Ay, tapos.